Good morning. Now this is a very short lesson on the key of E, a chord progression 1-4-5. I'm going to explain how to create basic rhythm from the key of E 1-4-5. Number one, identify where your E is in the open position. Here is your E. You start strumming from the lower E. Then identify now the 4 after E, which is the 1, the Do. This is the Do now. So 1, 4. What is our 4? Our 4 is, just count, E, F, G, A, B. We have just realized that the 4 is A and the 5 is B. So 1 is major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, 6 minor, and 7 diminished. As a beginner, please comment down below if you want me to introduce another lesson concerning the Nashville or the numbering of chords for the 1-4-5. Please just comment, don't fear anything. So because we have identified our 4 as A major and identified our 5 as the B major, we identified them on the fretboard too. So our A on the open string is held this way, otherwise also held this way because of the barring. That is our A. Now to get the B flat might not be easy for a person starting to know what the chords are, but I am going to explain from the E, no, from the A shape. That is the A shape here. This is A. We go to B flat, then we come to B. So this is B major. So this is B major chord. This is a B major chord in the A shape. So you can easily play E, then B major chord. Remember we are playing B major chord, then A. That's a chord progression. Now because on the open position we cannot maximize our potential in playing, we identify the other E's on the fretboard. So the other E is here. How did I know? From C, which is otherwise held this way because of identification of other chords. So we have C, C sharp, then D, D, E flat or D sharp, then E. So we have identified this E in the C shape. So from this E, can we identify B major and A major? Very simple. You just do this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, ti. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Have you seen it? The scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So when you say do, that do is the first note, note of the scale. So E, F, G. Yes. E, F, G, A. So this one becomes our 4 because it is in the fourth. It is the fourth note of the scale, so it creates our A. Then automatically this is the fourth. This one becomes the fifth, so our 5B is here. Is it sounding the same as the one we found on the A shape? And the same sounding. So very simple identification of this. So you can easily play a rhythm. That is 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. So you can play a beat. As a beginner, I recommend that you sometimes find a metronome or a beat to practice with, so that you find the transitioning of the chords on timing as you train day by day. Now let's listen to this. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5. As a beginner, you do this every day. You will be practicing this every day to find your timing. You do this one every day so that you find that timing of the transitioning of chords becomes very easy. As you do this, you first of all just do. You put a metronome. You practice this one every day, you find timing becomes very easy. Timing, the timing of the transitioning of the chords becomes very easy. As you do this every day, you just do this. You don't care about the arpeggios. Just play the chords themselves. It will be very easy for you as a beginner. Just strumming them. Knowing that this set of chords that I played here could be, I have played, then so I've played E, A, I've played the B major, E major, A major, B major. I've also played them here, E major, then the B major. Now come to this other part. Also we have our A in the A shape. We have our E, we have our E in the A shape. So if we have our E here, where can we find our A? We had identified it here and here. So do you feel that it is the same as? But now this is an E, an A shape of E. So you can play. Just the same thing. Or you can identify another. If this is A, this is A. This is A in the F shape. A in the F shape. And this is A in the C shape. So you can play. It is the same as that one. Then you come. Now the key thing is knowing the shapes of these chords along the fretboard. You come to this position, we have another E. No, sorry. You come to this position, sorry. This one is D. D. But now my interest is in E. So you come to this position, we have E. And remember, if we have E here, it is connected to A and also connected to the same thing we did this side. It is the same thing we are doing this other side. If this is A sharp or B flat, then we have B, C. So we have B here, we have E here, and we have A here. So you can easily play it. So the transitioning might not be. So you just transition very fast, very quickly by practice. You just do that on this other part. When you move to the top register, we also have E in this position here. We have E in this position, in the C shape. This is the C, but in this position we have B, C, D, B, C, D, E. So here we have E, A, E, A, B. So I've created the rhythm all over the fretboard for you to identify. It is the same thing that I was playing this side here. It is the same thing I'm playing here again. I'm playing the same thing. So for one-on-one lesson, please visit or call or WhatsApp my number 0792544905, and also visit my Facebook page, Michael Diambo. Also visit my Vent Blue page and get my books. Identify the one you can use. Very nice and comprehensive books for guitar, for rhythm and bass in stages. So please comment on anything you need me to add, anything you need me to learn also, because I'm not a monopoly of knowledge. We learn from each other. So if you are new to this channel, please don't ask where to sit. You belong here. Please feel comfortable. Enjoy. Join our house for a serious guitar lesson to come. If you have subscribed, please, thank you very much. Share the videos, for God shall just bless all of us and spread his word. The main thing for this channel, the main purpose for this channel is to teach Christian or to teach kingdom artists on how to play very well in churches or in during the worship time or worship sessions. Thank you very much, and may God bless all of you.